Hi guys, winter's coming.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, got a new book out. Life Gets in the Way. This is available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below, so if you wish to purchase a copy, you may. Along with this, we've also got Small Boat, Big Plans and Ain't Going Nowhere. Fair to say, Life Gets in the Way is exactly as it says on the cover. Life just prevents you doing what you want to do.
Starting with other projects, this time on Ava. One of the issues that we've had for quite a long time is getting a good airflow out of the forward cabin heater vent. And that's because it's quite a long way from the heater unit. And one thing with diesel heaters, it's all about air volume, getting air volume moving. And the only fan you've got in the system is the unit on the end of the diesel heater itself. And so I'm just experimenting. I've made up a unit here, which is just a plastic junction piece of ducting, and inside is a PC fan, cooling fan. Well, it's a fan, it moves air. So I'm going to put this into the circuit that goes to the forward cabin and just see if we can increase the airflow going through to that outlet. So we'll put it just here at this junction here, because it's easy for me to get at, and it's not far from a source of power for the fan itself. What I would like to do is tag it into the heater so that when I switch the heater on, the fan comes on, but I'm not sure that's going to be possible at this stage, and I don't want to disrupt anything. So first test is just couple it into that unit there, and then I can tag it into the wiring to get power. There, it's in its position. I've just got to get it fastened to the Y piece, and then bring my cabling across, but as usual I've got more floor panels to take up. And that's now giving me airflow with no heating on at the moment, but I'm getting airflow through that pipe with the fan running. So hopefully when I put the heating on, that'll just help boost it into this forward cabin. I would say Captain Dum Dum put the fan in the wrong way around first off.
So hi guys, now it's time to start thinking about winterizing your boats. Don't forget about your fuel systems as well as your engine. Protect your fuel, Clear Winter Purify, prevents diesel bug. Also, one of the big problems with modern fuels is destabilisation. Many of us fill our tanks coming into winter to make sure we don't get condensation, but then the boat sits for 3 to 6 months. During that time the fuel starts to destabilise. Modern fuels will only last about 3 months before they start to break down. So to stabilise your fuel, Clear Winter also have 31A. This will maintain your fuel stability for up to 12 months. As an added advantage of improving your fuel efficiency, it cleans your injectors and gives you a better fuel burn. I will put a link in the description below for their website and their email address.